fridge cocktail challenge. We've each selected 3 items out of the fridge. We're going to throw them all in the blender and try and drink it without throwing up. For our items, we have 4 Loko, lemonade flavor, lemon juice, Taipei hoisin sauce, sweet red chili sauce, Italian vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette, strawberry daiquiri, pickle juice with a pickle, and we're going to throw an egg in there too. Strawberry daiquiri, the Italian vinaigrette, sweet red chili sauce, oh that's fucking thick. Hoisin sauce, lemon juice, the balsamic vinaigrette, Here you got 1 pickle, and a little bit of pickle juice.
Pickle's gonna make it chunky.
Probably. Raw egg. And top it off, we have a little bit of lemonade 4 Loko going into it. Oh, it's rank. Three, 2, 1. Oh.
Tastes like puke.
A lot of chunks in there from that pickle. Fuck it. Get it down.
Yeah.
Oh. There it is. I'm done. Oh, that was terrible. Finish it. I finished mine. Finish it. Just chunks coming up. Alright, that was the fridge cocktail challenge. A lot of chunks of pickle, and that's what got me. It's pretty gross, and the vinaigrette was really disgusting. It was overpowering. I don't know what you thought of it.
Strong.
Yeah, it was disgusting. Alright, that video came to us as a video request. If you guys have any more requests for us, feel free to message us, and we'll try and get them done for you guys. And we'll see you guys later.